Today we have something super exciting to announce, and that is the release of our browser client. This gives you the ability to connect to your resources via SSH or RDP directly in your browser, making it so you don't even really need NetBird installed on your local computer, laptop, whatever, to manage resources within your NetBird networks. And the really cool thing is this is available now both on our cloud platform as well as the self-hosted platform. And I will note for self-hosted that you are going to need to make some manual updates to enable this functionality, but we'll go ahead and link to documentation down below to help you get set up with all of that. Here we have a Ubuntu virtual machine, so it's a Linux VM. So with this, we're going to be able to use SSH. I will note, if I go ahead, jump in here, you are going to need SSH access enabled both on the dashboard side, so right here, and on the client side. So the best way to enable that is to use your terminal to disconnect from NetBird and then reconnect with the enable SSH flag, and then you should be good to go. I can also click SSH right here. So we just give that a click. It's going to ask for your username and port. The default port usually is going to work completely fine. I'm going to switch to the user Brandon and click on connect. Now this will take just a second to get fully established here, and you can see it's connecting here. We're in, and I don't have NetBird running on this local machine. I'm accessing this completely through the web browser through app.netbird.io. So then I could do things such as update my system, or really any other administrative tasks that I'd want to do through SSH. It's just easy to jump into this, throw a few commands at it, maybe restart a Docker container or something, and life is good. Now, something that's really cool is over here, if I go to my Windows virtual machine that I have set up, this I can connect to with RDP. Just go ahead, click on that. Now for this, I needed to do a couple things to get it to work properly. This is dependent on your machine, how you have remote desktop and all that set up. But for me, I was logged in with a Microsoft account. I needed to switch to a local user and give myself a simple username and password. And of course, make sure remote desktop is enabled in the settings. And then here you just type in your username and password and then click on connect and then give it just a moment here. And then right here, we'll get the RDP certificate, all the information, all the fingerprint. I am going to always trust the VM when connecting to this. So let's hit accept and continue. And now give it just a moment and you could see I am in. Controlling my desktop so I can open up files, access anything that I need to. See, I got the NetBird installer there. So again, if you just needed quick access to maybe spin up a service, move a file somewhere, make a quick edit, this is a really convenient feature to have available to you directly here right on the NetBird dashboard. And with that, I do hope you enjoy that new connect button. I know I sure do. Again, I'll link down below to some additional documentation as well as a Knowledge Hub post so you can go ahead and learn a lot more about it. If you enjoy update videos like this, please let us know down below. If you have any feature requests, please let us know down below as well. And if you found this cool, go ahead and share this video with your friends, all that fun stuff. Subscribe to this channel so you do not miss more. Have a beautiful day and goodbye.